Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create oil painting action in Photoshop. But before we start, I would like to recommend you Envato Elements, where you can find different Photoshop effects, actions and textures. For example, real paint effects, which can create amazing artworks from any photo in a few simple clicks. Let's open a photo you want to use. And make sure that your image is in RGB 8-bits mode. Press Alt F9 to open the Actions panel and create a new set, and then press Create a new action. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the background layer. Go to Image, Adjustments, Shadow Highlights, and set the shadows to 10 and highlights to 5. Let's add Surface Blur and set the radius to 5 and threshold to 15. Then go to Filter, Sharpen, and Sharp Mask, and set the amount to 250, radius to 1 pixel, and threshold to 0. After that, go to Filter, Noise, Reduce Noise, and set the strength to 10, preserve details to 25, reduce color noise and sharpen details to 0. Then apply Diffuse filter with the anisotropic mode. Now let's go to Filter, Stylize, Oil Paint, and set the stylization and cleanliness to 2.5. Add Unsharp Mask with 100% amount. And name this layer Oil Painting. Now we are going to create the texture. Create a new layer and name it Canvas. Press D on your keyboard to reset the swatches and go to Edit, Fill. Set the contents to 50% gray. After that, go to Filter Gallery, Texturizer, and set the texture to Canvas, scaling to 200% and relief to 4. Change the blending mode of this layer to Soft Light. Hide the canvas layer and create a new layer. Name it Emboss. Press Ctrl-Alt-Shift-E and then hit Ctrl-Shift-U to desaturate this layer. Then let's go to Filter, Stylize, Emboss, and set the angle to 135, height to 3 pixels, and amount to 500%. Change the blending mode of this layer to Soft Light and set the opacity to 30%. Then show the canvas layer. Let's create adjustments for our image. Go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Curves, and name this new layer Color Look. Use the settings which you can see on your screen. Press D on your keyboard and then create a new Gradient Map Adjustment layer and name it Overall Contrast. Change the blending mode of this layer to Soft Light and set the opacity to 31%. Create Levels Adjustment layer and name it Overall Brightness. Set the output level to 19. And finally create Vibrance Adjustment layer and name it Overall Vibrance Saturation. Set the vibrance to 22 and saturation to 10. Press Ctrl-Alt-Shift-E and then Ctrl-Shift-U. After that, go to Filter, Other, High Pass, and set the radius to 2 pixels. Change the blending mode of this layer to Vivid Light and name this layer Overall Sharpening. Hit the Stop button in the Action panel. To save your action, just press this little icon and select Save Actions. If you want to crop the image, just press C and transform the image to get the result you like. This is our final result. You have learned how to create an oil painting effect action in Photoshop. Thank you for watching and don't forget to check our channel for more useful tutorials.